Starting around 30 July 2023, Bitgert truly is exchanging at $0.00000035 in term of its United States dollars rates, with the value change of 1.91% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour. Amazingly, Brise in a real sense has an in every practical sense all-out market cap of $138,791,582, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,639,093, which sort of is very critical. This especially makes Bitgert, Brise, especially positioning at 167 in the digital money market. Or so they truly thought. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert sort of be somewhat worth in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Is Bitgert a kind of wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Which most certainly is very critical. Will Brise cost outperform its untouched high in a very significant manner? These fundamentally are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in a kind of significant manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost truly is supposed to truly cross a sort of normal value level of $0.00000043, the normal kind of least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to be $0.00000041, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Besides, Brise can for the most part arrive at a greatest value level of $0.00000047. Bitgert value expectation July 2023. The cost of Bitgert truly is by and large anticipated to in a real sense reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.00000034 in July 2023 in a significant way. The Brise cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest worth of $0.00000038, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.00000037 all through 2023 in a truly significant manner. Brise value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Bitgert generally is gauged to really be at around a for the most part least worth of $0.00000037, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The Bitgert value worth can truly arrive at a limit of $0.00000039, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.00000038 in United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. Bitgert, Brise, value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Bitgert especially is for the most part anticipated to truly arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.00000039, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $0.00000041 and a by and large least of $0.00000037 in an unpretentious manner. Brise value estimate October 2023. The Bitgert conjecture for October 2023 expects that the Brise may for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.00000043 with a base cost of around $0.00000038, or so they truly thought. Discussing the fundamentally normal value, Brise can essentially stretch around $0.00000040 for October in every practical sense. Further appearance how Bitgert, Brise value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost truly is supposed to explicitly cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.00000043. The normal essentially least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to be $0.00000041, which most certainly is very critical. Bitgert, Brise, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, The cost of Bitgert certainly is somewhat anticipated to really arrive at a by and large normal cost of $0.00000041, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.00000045 and an extremely least of $0.00000040, exhibiting that Brise value figure October 2023. The Bitgert conjecture for October 2023 expects that the Brise may generally arrive at a greatest worth of $0.00000043 with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.00000038, or so they basically thought. Brise value figure December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Bitgert truly is supposed to especially arrive at and in every practical sense least value worth of $0.00000041, showing how Bitgert, Brise, value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Bitgert especially is somewhat anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a typical cost of $0.00000039, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.00000041 and a truly least of $0.00000037, which truly is very huge. The Brise cost could in every practical sense arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of $0.00000047, with the very normal cost around $0.00000043. Bitgert, especially past value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been essentially diminished by 2.63% in its fundamentally current worth, or so they sort of thought. On the off chance that we especially look at the kind of current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap generally is likewise down in a genuinely large manner. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Brise by and large was an especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 32.64% in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert really has shown extremely sort areas of strength 4 of potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to in every practical sense dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that Brise value gauge October 2023. The Bitgert conjecture for October 2023 expects that the Brise may generally arrive at and in every way that really matters greatest worth of $0.00000043 with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.00000038 in a quite huge manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise sort of diminished by 28.416%, dispensing with an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.00000014 from its for the most part current worth in a quite enormous manner. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a decent truly purchase of potential open door for speedy interest in a very significant manner. Bitgert value conjecture 2023 facts. What will all things considered be Bitgert for the most part worth in 2023?